Good evening and warm welcome, guys, to our next lecture of digital marketing training. Today we are going to see the seventh module. Okay, let me share my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So you are able to see this screen, right? Everyone can see this.
Yes, sir. We can see, sir. We can see.
What about Rishika and Priyanka? Okay, fine. So today's okay. So today's module is
Google Webmaster.
yes.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay, fine, fine. So today's topic is Google Webmaster Tool. So what is mean by Google Webmaster Tool? Actually, it is known as Google Search Console. Okay. So formerly it is known as Google Webmaster Tool, but I think in the 2018 Google renamed it as Google Search Console. So what is mean by Google Search Console? So let's see. It is a service by Google which allows webmasters to check indexing status and optimize visibility of their website. ये क्या करता है गूगल वेबमास्टर टूल या गूगल सर्च कंसोल? आपका आपने वेबसाइट बनाई है, आपने पेजेस बनाए, सो अगर आपको चेक करना है कि आपके पेजेस इंडेक्स हुए हैं या नहीं हुए, सो यू कैन सी बाय यूजिंग द गूगल सर्च कंसोल टूल. So it is a tool provided by Google where you can, which allows to check indexing status. So आपके जो URLs है, आपने जो डिफरेंट URL सबमिट किए हैं, तो वो गूगल में इंडेक्स हुए हैं या नहीं हुए हैं, ये आपको बताता है. एंड इट ऑल्सो ऑप्टिमाइज द विजिबिलिटी ऑफ योर वेबसाइट. Until 20th of May 2015, the service was called Google Webmaster Tools. In January 2018, Google introduced a new version of Search Console which changes the user interface. This May 20 from the 21st of May 2015, it is known as Google Search Console. So it is a free platform for anyone with a website to monitor how Google views their site and optimize its organic presence. So by using Google Search Console or Google Webmaster Tool, you can analyze all the data related to website with, in terms of organic traffic. So you can see which keywords are ranking on which place, and which URLs are indexed by the Google, and all these things I will show you. You can see with this tool. That includes viewing your referring domains, which domains are referring you, mobile site performance also, rich search results, highest traffic queries and pages. You can get which for which keyword or which page is ranking on highest position on the Google. Okay. Now see how to add your website to Google Search Console. Okay guys, so this is a practical, so we need to go to the new page. Are you able to see this?
Yes, sir, I can see.
So just go to Google and search Google search console. Click enter. Okay, now you will see this result. You just click on it, Google search console. Okay, then now click on start now. So here, well, it says welcome to Google search console. To start, select property type. Now you have to you have to verify your website first. So there are two main methods to verify your website, by using domain method and by using URL prefix. Okay, so let's see. We will as we don't have any website. So you have to, what you have to do is write your website here like www.xyz. Okay, your website.com. And then you have to write HTTPS, this one. Okay, then click on continue. Then it will give you a code which you have to put on your head section on your website. Okay, ये आपको क्या करेगा, कंटिन्यू करने के बाद आपको एक कोड देगा. तो कोड कहाँ पे पेस्ट करना है, आपके वेबसाइट के हेड में. So you need to copy that code and go to your website dashboard and how to put in the head. So simply listen to me. Simply, if you are using WordPress website, simply download a plugin which is known as header and footer. So write it down. Guys, am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We are following you.
Which plugin you have to download?
Header and footer.
Yeah, just download and install the header and footer, and go, after installing, go to the header section and copy this code to the header and just click OK, and then come back here and you need to verify this. Okay, so after you verify your website, it will not show, it will take a time, to display the traffic and all the analytics on your website, because your website, it will take a time to analyze the data. Okay, so these are the two methods. Now how to add, sign into your Google account. Make sure you are using your business, not personal account, if it's a business website. Go to webmaster tool, then after that you have to click on add a property, choose a website from the drop down menu and enter the URL of your website. Click continue. You have to do all these things. अभी देखो सिचुएशन ऐसा है कि अभी हमारे पास वेबसाइट नहीं है. ठीक है, so what I will do, okay, what I will do, I will show you my webmaster. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Google main page.
I will show my website search console. Okay. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
So this is my website, and after you done your verification, you will get a dashboard like this. Okay. So in the dashboard, in the left hand side, there is overview. Okay. So we are on the in the overview. So it is showing the performance of my website. So on this Saturday, December 5th, 3 people clicked on my website. On the 2nd of December, on the Wednesday, only 1 click. Like this, for every day it is showing how many clicks I am getting on the Google. It is showing via graph. Okay, so the traffic is very low on this website. Okay, now see here. Let's see the open report for this. See how many impressions I got.
4.25, 4,25,000.
Okay, 4,000. It is 4.25K. Okay,
Yes, sir.
then it's not 4 lakh actually. It's 4,2,500. I think.
2,500. Okay.
Right. Okay. Then how many impressions I got on this day? If you go here, like 22 impressions on the December of 5th, on the Saturday, I got 22 impressions and
22
3 people clicked
impressions.
on my website. So this is all the data. So here is the interesting part.
Yes, sir.
So for which query, how many clicks and how many impressions? Okay, so I wrote some blogs like app jobs affiliate program. See, for this I got total of 69 impressions, 2 web clicks, click through rate. What is mean by CTR? Click through rate. What is mean by click through rate? Click through rate.
Average.
Yeah. Yes, please. Okay. CTR, I already told you what is mean by CTR. CTR is the click through rate. So out of 69 impressions, only 2 clicked on my website. So 69 divided by 2 into 100, you will get 2.9.
Yes, sir.
And my average position is 6.9 on the SERP. Actually, it is 4. Now I just saw it. So it is 4. Okay. So see here, keyword was app job affiliate program. Page is this. This is my page. See which countries. Okay. See from the Pakistan, 5 impression I got. I got 1 click. From Nigeria, 3 impression, 1 click. From India, 14 impressions, no click. From UK, 10 impressions. From United States, 9 impressions. From Brazil, Nepal, Algeria, Germany, France, South Africa, Zambia, Australia, Spain, Greece, Indonesia, Poland, and all these countries. For a single URL, I am seeing this performance of a single URL. Okay. Now come back here. when I get to like Fever affiliate program. Okay, so I got 479 impressions. So these all the data which I got in the search console. Pages, countries. Okay, so I got many impressions in India and some in the United States and in Bangladesh, in UK, in Pakistan, in Vietnam, Egypt, South Korea, Taiwan, and it shows all the countries where my keywords were searched and my web results, my website came in the result. So see, this is all about the performance. Okay, now you can see here coverage. It says one page with errors and 48 valid pages. So I have made 48 pages on my website which are valid. Okay, so let's see the report. And I excluded 119 pages to non-index. I don't want to get indexed there, those pages. So I just want my 48 valid pages to be get indexed, and I excluded 119 pages. Guys, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We are following you.
Yeah. So let's see the valid pages. Here I have valid pages, 48 valid pages. So it says indexed but not submitted in sitemap. So I should have submitted in the sitemap. So guys, we have only 40 minutes of session right now. After 40 minutes, you will get a 10 minutes of break. Then after 10 minutes, you have to again rejoin. And we will continue for 40 minutes again. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, these are my valid pages on the Google.
Sir, why Zoom? What about the Meet? Meet is, I think, more user friendly.
Actually, that's the administrators like decision, not mine. So they give me instruction that I have to lecture on the Zoom. Okay, so don't worry, it is also very good. Don't worry. So how you going to add your website? Let's see here. Here you can add. You can click add property. Okay. After you click add property, you have to verify that property. After the verification, you will get this dashboard. Okay. So I told you how to verify it. There are two methods. You can do it. So let's see what is the use of Google Webmaster. So Google Webmaster tool is a free service that helps you elevate and maintain your website's performance in search result. हम Google Webmaster या फिर Search Console. It is now known as Google Search Console. Okay. It gives you a tool to evaluate and maintain your website performance. How your website is performing in the Google or SERP. And it offered a free service to anyone who owns a website. ये बिल्कुल फ्री है, गूगल को इसका कॉस्ट नहीं करता है, ठीक है. और it collects all the information from all the search engines also and try to fix the problems. And you do not need to use Google Webmaster tool for your website to appear in search results, but it can offer you valuable information that can help you with your marketing efforts. आपको Google सर्च कंसोल का इंडेक्सिंग के लिए जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन ये आपको जो है बहुत ही अच्छे आइडियाज देता है कि देखिए यहाँ पे जैसा ये आइडियाज देता है कि कौन कौन से पेजेस मेरे इंडेक्स हुए हैं, कौन से नहीं हुए हैं, मेरा परफॉर्मेंस क्या है. Okay, so it will tell all the related information about your website. Okay, so it is a useful tool. Okay, let's see how Search Console can help monitor your website performance. It verifies that Google can access the content on your website. तो हमको पता चल जाता है वेबसाइट बनाने के बाद, हमको जनरली पता नहीं चलता है कि गूगल से इंडेक्स हुआ है नहीं हुआ है, अभी क्या हमारा वेबसाइट का स्टेटस क्या है, कितने लोग हमारी वेबसाइट को देख पा रहे हैं, कितने लोग नहीं देख पा रहे हैं, किन पेजेस में हमारा इशू है, किन पेजेस में हमारा इशू नहीं है. तो जनरली हमको पता नहीं चलता है, लेकिन गूगल सर्च कंसोल से हम ये सब एनालिसिस कर सकते हैं. It also make possible to submit new pages and post for Google to crawl and remove content you don't want to search engines users to discover. By using Google Search Console, you can also tell Google to index a certain page. And if you don't want to index a certain page on your website, you can also tell Google to not to index it. Then next is it helps you to deliver and evaluate content that offers users a more visual experience. ये आपको मेन आपका जो एनालिसिस है वो टूल देता है कि भाई आप आपके वेबसाइट का डिटेल यहाँ पे देख सको. Then how it helps you to understand Google search views on your website. It tells you the most popular query, like I showed you here. यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ पे ये बता रहा है कि ये मेरा क्यूरी है, इतने क्लिक्स है, इंप्रेशन इतने, तो मेरा सबसे ज्यादा मोस्ट पॉपुलर क्यूरी कौन सा है बताइए. गाइस, एम आई ऑडिबल?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
बताइए यहाँ पे कौन सा सबसे ज्यादा क्यूरी,
Yes.
बहुत ज्यादा, मतलब मेरा टॉप क्यूरी कौन सा है, ये वाला है ना?
479. Yes, sir.
ओके,
Total impression. Okay.
क्योंकि यहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा इंप्रेशन किसकी है, इसी के है. तो इफ यू सर्च फीवर अफिलिएट प्रोग्राम,
Affiliate program.
if you search on
Yes,
Google
sir.
Fever affiliate program, then I think on the fourth position my website come on the fourth position
Yes, sir.
on the SERP.
Fourth
So that's
position.
very good. So this is my top query. So it also shows which query is top, and it also shows which query driving the most traffic to your website, and you can see which websites are linking to yours. Okay, so all this information is given by this tool. I already told you how to verify Google Webmaster Tool to your website. So for your information, I wrote down here. After the completion of our lecture, you can see I will upload this to our drive. So you can again download it and see how to verify Google Webmaster Tool to our website. So first is the HTML file upload. So you will get a code that upload a verification HTML file to a specific location of website. तो आपको देखिए ये सब तरीके हैं, ये सब तरीकों से आप आपका वेरीफाई कर सकते हैं. द बेस्ट इज द यू गेट अ कोड and download that plugin, and that code should be a HTML tag code. Okay, so add to the head section in that, and it will get approved. Now see what is mean by crawl. So crawling is nothing but fetching on the Google. It is the process by which Google bot visits new and updated pages to be added to the Google index. Crawling is the process by which Google bot visits new and updated pages to be added in the Google index. गूगल बॉट क्या करता है, नए और पुराने पेजेस में इंडेक्स वो बार बार क्या करता है, क्रॉलिंग करता रहता है. ठीक है, मैं अभी 2 मिनट में हमारा सेशन खत्म हो जाएगा. आई विल टेल यू आफ्टर दिस आवर ब्रेक. ओके
Sure, sir.
Sir, after that session, there will be a 10-minute break, right?
after this session there will be a 10 minute break and then we will continue for 40 minutes more.
Okay, then we have to rejoin on 8:50.
Yes, you have to rejoin.
Okay. Sir, by the same code or we'll get the new one?
No, with the same link.
Okay.
Hmm.
Sure, sir.